Mga artista natin, having obtained power, if you are popular, you are powerful.
Yes po. But ano po, sino din po yung struggling? Kilala po.
In what ways you are powerful once you are popular?
We have influence over a lot of people.
Okay. So ano man sasabihin mo, di ba? Even commercial. May commercial, di ba? Para mas maniniwala.
Influence, ano, ways.
Then, why rain? Rain is actually almost similar with rule, di ba? Rain also consider as connected with the idea of kingdom. Tama? O, sige, stay. Why rain?
Because if you have power, you can control a lot of people.
Again, if you have power,
You can control a lot of people and do what you want.
okay?
Rain is used po for ano, royal authority. Usually po pag describe po yung reign ng isang king, yun po yung time na in power po sila. So kapag sila po, reign King Henry II, ano po yung reign na gamit because po sila po yung naka-upo sa throne.
Thank you. Very good. Group 3. Last group.
Kaya sila well.
So what is the connection of politics and power? Connection of politics and power. Dito, sa politics kasi, dito, doon tayo, doon kasi yung mga group of people na nag-make ng decision. So, pag nag-make sila ng decision for the economy, doon na papasok yung power. Then next,
For application naman, ang application ay pumapasok sa power dahil sa obligation ng protektahan ang rights ng mga people.
well, sa power, ang wealth kasi, minsan ginagamit yan negatively or positively. So, depende kasi sa tao kung paano nila gagamitin yung wealth nila. So, pumapasok yan sa power. Then, economy.
Sa economy naman po, dito po pumapasok yung wealth na binibigay ng government for those people na rich or poor people.
Sa representative naman po, dito pumapasok yung yung mga group ng people na gumagawa ng mga batas, yung gumagawa ng mga
Those powerful people usually are representative.
yes.
Thank you, Group 3. Okay. I'm making notes about your ano. Yung iba maganda yung content.